Hello everyone. Today we will see how to save old version Enscape files in latest SketchUp. The save file type has been removed in the latest SketchUp, due to which we cannot save files for old version like this. Today we will see how to solve this issue. Just simply go to Extension Manager and click Install Extension and simply select this extension, and after install just simply go to File. You can see a extra menu where you can see the save file types. Just simply select and type your name, for example this, and click save, and this window confirm you that file is saved. Now I will show you if the file is actually work. Just simply open. Since I developed this extension, it will appear unsigned, and you can donate to me instead for many more sweet free extensions. So as you can see, the file is opened and it is show a dialog that this file is 15 that we already saved. Thanks for watching. See you on the next videos.